So ato ang i-discuss karon is all about katong variable separable. So okay. So for example, kanina problem y prime is equal to x squared over y. So di ba ang y prime that is dy over dx. So na kay dy over dx is equal to x squared over y. So sa variable separable, di ba ang goal lang man nimo is basically i-separate tong mga variables nimo. So ang y i-separate with x. So in this case class, i-separate nimo si y ug si x ha. Na kay y dy ug na kay x squared dx. Meaning to say, imong igrupo-grupo imong mga y kay dy ug imong mga x kay dx. So in this case, na-separate na to siya. So indeed, variable separable jud siya na problem. Okay? So once nga na-separate na to siya class, ang mga variables na to, that is the time that we have to integrate. Okay? Again ha, after nimo ma-separate ang mga variables, pwede na ka mo-integrate after ato. Okay? So you have integral of y dy is equal to integral of x squared dx. So take note lang class na basic lang ni siya na integration katong power rule lang nato where the integral of x raised to an exponent dx is simply equal to x raised to n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus katong constant c nimo. Okay, so apply na to ang formula class. You have, for the integral of y dy, you have y raised to 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 plus c. Okay, where 1 is the exponent, so mao to imong n, is equal to x raised to 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 plus c, where 2 is your n, imong exponent ra. Okay, so basic lang siya na integration. So simplify na to siya class. We have y squared over 2 plus c is equal to x cubed over 3 plus c. Okay, then ato asang i-simplify. So atong buhaton is ato ang kaning x cubed over 3 is atong i-transpose to the left, and kaning c na to ato siyang i-simplify, transpose to the right, or unsa ba. Okay, so you have y squared over 2 minus x cubed over 3. So kato siya again ha git-transpose dira sa pikas. So kaning c na to, di ba na ko gi-transpose po na to siya to the right para ma-simplify. So ayaw mo katingala ha, di ba? C minus c, murag mao to inyong isipon kung kani sa ibalhin sa pikas, so you have c minus c. Pero again ha, dili na siya ana pagabot dili sa calculus kay masking pag imuha siyang kani imuhang constant, masking pag imong i-transpose sa pikas para imong negative or imuha siyang timesan og any number, c lang gyud gihapon na siya. Constant lang gyud na siya, wala ta kabalo pila na siya, basta c na siya, si constant. Masking pag imong ipang transpose sa pikas or timesan nimo masking unsa na value, si c na siya. Okay, so positive c ang imong ibutang dira all the time. Alright, masking pag maka ln of c or unsa pa ba ln of c, c lang gihapon to siya. Okay, so I hope na kuha lang to siya class. Okay, so kani is medyo pangit naman sa tan-awon. You have y squared over 2 minus x cubed over 3. So atong i-simplify, pina-basic lang katong add lang kag duha ka fraction. So in the end na kay 3y squared minus 2x cubed over 6. Okay? Then again, simplify na to siya class. So kaning 6 transpose ay multiply lang di, cross multiply lang diri kay c. So again, masking kaning c nimo kaning constant, masking pag mag-multiply kag masking unsa sa yaha, in the end c lang yun na siya. Okay? So you have 3y squared minus 2x cubed equal to c. So that is your final answer class. So ang next problem na to is this. Variable separable, gihapon ni siya na topic class ha. So solve the following differential equation. So they have y prime plus y squared sine x is equal to 0. And again, kanimong y prime is that is dy over dx. So you have dy over dx plus y squared sine x is equal to 0. So again, pag variable separable atong topic, so ato sang i-check if variable separable yun siya. So meaning to say, igrupo na to ang y with dy and ang x kay dx. So i-separate nimo si y o si x. That is why variable separable ang tawag sa yaha. So check na to class. Transpose na to sa pikas ning y squared sine x. So it becomes dy over dx is equal to y squared, is equal to negative y squared sine x. Okay, so try na to i-separate ang mga variables. So in the end, we have dy over y squared is equal to negative sine x dx. Tama? So ang y nimo, grupo with dy. Imong x, grupo with dx. So na-separate siya. Meaning to say, this is a variable separable problem. So, after na-separate nimo ang mga variables, nagrupo-grupo na nimo siya class, that is the time that you have to integrate. So, you have the integral of dy over y squared is equal to the integral of negative sine x dx. Okay, pero before ko mag-integrate class, para mapadali itong life, kaning y squared na to, isa ka na to pataas. Meaning to say, may mo siyang y raised to negative 2 dy. Tama? Kaning y raised to negative 2 dy, that is simply equal to dy over y squared. Tama, class? Okay. So, you have this, you have integral of y raised to negative 2 dy is equal to negatives integral of sine x dx. So, we have to integrate na. Okay? So, basic integration lang yapon ni siya. You have the power formula. Para kani, power rule lang ka. Katong x raised to n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. Tapos kaning integral of sine x dx. So, di ba basic lang po, that is equal to negative cosine x plus c. Okay, so apply na to ang mga integrals na to. So, you have y raised to negative 2 plus 1 over negative 2 plus 1 plus c. Okay? Kani siya is for this part. Is equal to negative. Kaning negative sign na imo nakita diri, this is for this one. Okay? Then, kaning negative sign, kaning negative cos x nimo, mao ni siya for the integral of sine x dx. Okay? Plus c. So, take note ha, duha imong negative diri. So, para basig malimtan og butang ang isa ka negative. So, careful lang pud mo. Okay? So, kaning negative diri is kani. And kaning negative diri is kana siya. Okay, so simplify na to class. You have y raised to negative 1 over negative 1 plus c is equal to cos x plus c. So, ma'am, nga nung, di ba, this is negative. Negative times c, that should be negative c. Tama? So, again, kato akong gimension ganina, masking pag magkinaunsa na siya class, kana imong constant c, imong i-transpose or i-times nimo og 9 or times ni mag negative 9 or ma-ln of c man na siya, that is equal to positive c lang atong pagkabutang. Okay, para dili mo malibog, kato na lang timan basta plus c yun na siya always. Okay? So, sige. Atong i-simplify. Okay? So, simplifying that class, you have negative of negative 1. Kanilang is gide-right lang nato siya pinain-ani para dili na libog ning negative 1 diri as a denominator. So, transpose sa pika side, kaning negative y raised to negative 1 nato, transpose nato to the right. So, you have c is equal to y raised to negative 1 plus cosine x. So, kani imuhang isa ka c diri tong isipon, gitranspose nato siya pa left. Pero again, C lang yun siya. Masking pag imo siyang i-transpose or unsa, murag C lang yun gihapon to siya. Dili ka mag C minus C, so mahimong 0. Dili na siya pwede. Okay, so that is not correct pag inato class. Okay, so this is your final answer na pod. Okay, so sa next video is, though dali lang siya, pero of course, sa word exam, I don't think this is the best way to solve problems for DE kay what if lisod ang imong impa-integrate, tama? So, obviously, atong gamiton yun, if dili kita confident sa itong integration na skills, let's do calculator technique. So, sa next video is, I will teach you the calculator techniques pag-abot sa variable separable. Okay? So, same problems lang gihapon, next video class.